So if I'm trying to isolate x, I have 3 times x divided by 4 equals 9. What's the first thing I want to do to try and isolate the variable? What's the first operation? Yes. Pardon? Get rid of the divided by 4. What's the opposite of division? So I have to multiply this by 4 because that will get rid of the divided by 4, right? So what do I have to do on the right side? Which is multiply by 4. Are we good with that part so far? So what do I have on the left side?
3x.
I still have my 3x. And on the right side, I have to simplify. What is 9 times 4? 36. What does 3x mean? 3 times a number. 3 times x. What's the opposite of multiplication? So now I have to divide by, that gets rid of it. What do I have to do to the right side? So I'm left with just my x. That was my goal. X equals, what's 36 divided by 3? 12. That's the answer. We have x divided by 5. What do I want to do to get rid of the divided by 5? Multiply by 5. So what do I have to do on the left side? Multiply by 5. That's it. Very simple. What's 5 times negative 6? No, not 30. Negative 30 equals x. Okay, so I'll read it to you. 14 equals 7 times x divided by 5. Multiply by 5, that gets rid of that. Multiply by 5. I'm still left with my 7x, but what's 5 times 14? 70. What do I need to do to get rid of 7? 7 times x. What's the opposite of times? Divide. Divide both sides by 7. This cancels out. I'm left with x equals 10. It doesn't matter if you write 10 equals x or x equals 10. It doesn't matter which way you write it in.